Hi everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I hope you guys are all staying happy and healthy on this lovely asynchronous Wednesday. I just wanted to go over a couple things and do your agenda for 11/19. I know that originally I said that I would not be in class with you, but there was a little bit of chaos that has happened and some changes since that announcement on Tuesday. So I'm recording this ahead of time just to try and keep ahead of the wave. So with that in mind, today is Wednesday 11/18, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the fact that there are now buttons at the top of our Schoology page. The green button that says Home Hybrid Zoom will take you exactly to our Zoom for Class Block 1. Or if you need to come see me on Wednesdays, there's now a button for that if you click on it, it'll take you to the Zoom for our office hours on Wednesday from 10:30 to 11:30. There's also your red phase schedule that if you click on that button, it'll show up. Along with our streaming notice and the Barron News. Weekly agenda you cannot click on yet because I haven't updated it for our agenda for next week yet. With that all in mind, let's talk a little bit about our subfolder. So originally on Tuesday I told you that we would be using this subfolder, and we are still going to do so just in case anybody should not get my email that I sent out this morning, 11/18 Wednesday, about how I will actually be in class with you. So we're still going to use this folder just for a safety feature. We are still doing Figurative Language Notes Part 2, and we're still going to do Romeo and Juliet Act 2, Scene 3, and Act 2, Scene 4, which is all found in the sub 11/19/2020 folder, which is read at the top of our Schoology page. The only difference is that I would like you to get on Zoom, as I put in our email, if you should be home. If you're coming in person, you're perfectly fine. You'll just see me on Thursday. No difference. Alrighty. I hope you guys have a lovely Wednesday. I can't wait to see you and talk a little bit more about Romeo and Juliet. And I hope you guys all stay happy and healthy. Talk to you later. Bye.